To get started with the drag and drop question type available to partner users, click the blue plus button to add a new question item, or the Add Item icon if you have 4 icons. Then select Drag and Drop. Select your preferred drag and drop question type. Add inline text for drag and drop with text, or upload background image to drag and drop with images or files. Let's first look at adding inline text. Begin by entering your text into the question bar, then click Add Drop Area to create a drop space. Then click to continue typing. You can add multiple drag and drop spaces as well. To delete a drag and drop area, click the trash can. To add answer choices, click the Type an Answer and click Enter box. Type an answer choice and click Enter. To remove a choice, click the X next to it. To set your question up for auto-grading, just drag the choices to their correct drop area. To unassign a choice from its drop area, click the X symbol in it. Switch on Allow Partial Credit to take auto-grading up a notch by allowing your students to get credit for answering part of the question correct. To get started with the image drag and drop question, select Upload Background Image after Add Drag and Drop Question. You can now upload your background image that students will drop onto. Enter your question into the text bar and click on the image where you would like to place drop areas. To delete a drop area, click the trash can symbol. To move a drop area, grab and drag. To add answer choices, you can choose between text or image answer choices. To add text answer choices to drag into the drop areas, type each choice separately into the Type an Answer and click Enter bar and click Enter. To remove a choice, just click the X next to it. To add image choices on the Type an Answer and click Enter bar, click the plus symbol to the far right and choose Image. You can now upload an image for your students to use as an answer choice. To remove any choice, click the X attached to it. To set your answer for text or image draggables, simply drag the correct choice onto its drop location. Now that our drag and drop question is ready to go, let's see what it looks like from the student side. Students can drag their answer choices into the drop area in the question. If they would like to change their answers, students can click the X to remove their choice, or they can replace their answer by dragging and dropping their new choice to the appropriate drop area.